Assalamualaikum guys. I hope you are all well. My today topic is best DUI lawyer in Tampa. Why these DUI lawyers? Our goal is to contact people with the best local professional. We score Tampa DUI lawyer on more than 25 variables across 5 categories and analyzed the result to give you a land pick list of the best. Our selection criteria availability, qualifications, reputations, experience, and professionalisms. Then Palacios law. Brain Palacios law is criminal defense from representing clients charged with DUI related offenses. Its legal term helps client to understand right there while continuously exploring their legal options and seeking to reduce or eliminate the charges against them. Where necessary, it can represent like against precautions teams at trial. Led attorney Brian Palacios is former Florida State prosecutor with a large body of experience, and this informed the approach to defending clients charged with DUI and change of their criminal offenses. Then Muscala. The Muscala is a firm is the Tampa Metro that defends client from DUI charge. The national trial lawyers named Muscala among its list of the top 100 trials lawyers and super lawyers recently awarded to the firm its top 5% for the criminal lawyer designations. All family law groups PA. For more than 20 years, our family law group PA has served clients in the Tampa, Florida metro area with criminal defense and legal services. The multi-attorney firm takes all type of driving under the influence client, including those charged with DUI, misdemeanors, felonies, manslaughter, and vehicles homicide. It also represents clients include the Bickling and Boating DUI incident. Founding attorney Lynette Lon Lagana is a member of the Family Law section of the Florida Bar Associations. Amin Shafai attorney at law. Amin Shafai attorney at law has been providing legal service in and around Tampa. Mustafa Muhammad Amin worked in the state attorney's office before leaving in 2018 to start his private practice. He is in charge of the firm's personal injury and DUI defense departments. The attorney represents people who were arrested for DUI charges. He defends their rights and educates them about their options and possible approaches to their cases. Amin Shafai brings 2 decades of experience. It has handled more than 5,000 criminal cases. Then D. La Grana Boardman. D. La Grana Boardman is a law firm providing aggressive legal representations to clients with DUI charges in the Tampa metro and its surrounding areas. The team's criminal defense attorney keep clients informed through the legal processes. The firm helps clients in routine preliminary hearing and felony trial. It also handles complex criminal appellate litigation state and the federal courts. The office also handles personal injury cases including auto and pedestrian accident, medical malpractice, and wrongful death. Hertzman Law. Hertzman Law is a criminal defense firm providing Tampa, Florida residents with the legal representations for cases involving driving under the influence. The solo practitioner firm takes first and repeat DUI clients seeking to have criminal charges dismissed or reduced through the disputing the legalities of the arresting officer's field sobriety test. Christopher Hersman is a former assistant public defender for the 6th Judicial Court and AV preeminent and rated by Partidental Habil has been voted best DUI lawyer in the Tampa by 3 separate times of Tampa magazine and has been listed among the top 100 trial lawyers. It's from the National Trial Lawyers Associations. Then Jason Matthew Mayberry. The Jason Matthew Mayberry law firm represents driving under the influence client in the Tampa, Florida area. The boutique firm takes misdemeanor and felony DUI clients, helping its clients receive reduced or dismiss criminal sentence by challenging the arresting officer field sobriety test and intent to stop and arrest procedures. Founding attorney Mayberry is a former Bay Area prosecutor and member of the Florida Associations of Criminal Defense Attorney. Law offices of Brian E. Gonzalez, PA. The law offices of Brian E. Gonzalez, PA, represents clients in the Tampa area. It defends the clients who have been charged with driving under the influence. The firm helps prepare a sound defense and examine the validity of the traffic stops and the sobriety test. It also represents clients in criminal case involving drugs, murder, robbery, and fraud. Led counsel Brian Gonzalez has been an attorney for more than 35 years and has personally handled more than 8,000 criminal cases. Leela Group. Leela Group is a multi-practice firm that serves Tampa clients. It offers legal representations to drivers who have been arrested on suspicious of DUI and has them avoid the penalties associated with convictions. It investigates their cases to determine whether probable cause exists for their arrest and resolve their charges. In other areas of practice include family law and personal injury law. Prior to joining the firm in 2017, managing partner jobs, Lee served as an assessment public defender. Then Marka Joseph PA. Marka Joseph PA provide legal assistance and representations to individual facing DUI charge in Tampa. The practicing attorney help clients avoid harsh punishment such as fines, jail time, and driver's license suspensions affecting various aspects of their lives. The law firm also handles cases involving aggravated battery, living this skin of an accident, carjacking, drug crimes. The attempted murder for Mark Joseph has been 1669 successful cases and trusted by 10,000 clients. His services are available 24 hours. MC College Law PA, O'Brien Hatfield PA, Peligon Law PA, Parks Blackstone PA, Patrick's B. Cotani PA, Ray is Lapis PA, Richard Dark Slender, Sammy's Law Firm PL, etc. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channels and share to others. I hope you like my video. My video is ended. Allah Hafiz.